Welcome back. Today, your car is hitting that critical 60,000 mile mark. You think it's just a routine checkup, but every professional mechanic has a secret 7-point list in their head, a list they rarely share with you. These 7 items, if ignored now, will cost you thousands later. Item number 2 is the cheapest part on the list, but replacing it today prevents major oil leaks tomorrow. Let's dive in. Number 1, the transmission. Your manufacturer might call it lifetime fluid, but at 60,000 miles, that fluid is already degrading. A mechanic knows this is the perfect time for your first full fluid exchange, not just a simple drain and fill. Ignoring this now guarantees premature failure of your clutches down the road. Let's talk about the cheapest savior, the PCV valve. At 60,000 miles, this little valve starts getting clogged with sludge. This creates excessive pressure inside your engine, and that pressure pushes oil out through your seals and gaskets. The mechanic won't tell you to replace the $10 part because they'd rather charge you hundreds for replacing gaskets later on. Replace the PCV valve now. For cars with a timing belt, while you might not be at the replacement interval yet, at 60,000 miles, the mechanic is secretly listening to your tensioners and idlers. If they sound noisy, they know failure is coming early. Don't wait for the schedule. Ask your mechanic specifically about the condition of the tensioners and idlers. Your engine might feel fine, but at 60,000 miles, standard spark plugs are done, and even long-life plugs are wearing down. This causes subtle misfires that don't trigger the check engine light, but they increase fuel consumption and slowly damage your catalytic converter. Mechanics often let this slide. Don't. Install a fresh set of plugs now. This is your biggest safety item. Brake fluid is hygroscopic. It absorbs water over time. At 60,000 miles, your fluid is likely contaminated, which drastically lowers its boiling point. If you brake hard, you risk brake fade, where your pedal goes soft. Insist on a brake fluid flush every 3 years, regardless of mileage. You're probably used to a little vibration at idle, but a mechanic knows that at 60,000 miles, the rubber in your engine and transmission mounts is aging. Weak mounts increase vibration, which stresses the exhaust system and other connected components. If the mechanic notices moderate wear, they might say nothing, but early replacement prevents cascading failure. Our final secret item is fuel injectors. At 60,000 miles, carbon buildup on the tips of your injectors and intake valves is cutting your horsepower and reducing your MPG. Instead of simply adding a cheap cleaner to the tank, you need a professional pressurized injector cleaning service. This will immediately restore your car's new power and efficiency. So there you have it, your secret 7-point checklist for 60,000 miles. Don't let your mechanic dictate the maintenance schedule. Use this list, save thousands in future repairs, and keep your car running for another 100,000 miles. Let me know in the comments which of these 7 things are you going to check first. Like and subscribe for more maintenance secrets.